At Liferay, we're dedicated to helping manufacturers grow through superior after-sales experiences, reducing the cost to serve customers and minimizing their unplanned downtime. An essential part of becoming and remaining a valued partner for your customers is helping them stay operational. With the powerful, out-of-the-box tools of a customer portal built on Liferay, you can efficiently provide the necessary information, best practice guidelines, and onboarding content to solve equipment issues and execute maintenance tasks autonomously. Liferay provides a perfect platform to create a comprehensive knowledge base that enables end users, like your customers' technicians, to quickly understand your products and services as well as related problems. Make it easier for technicians to carry out maintenance operations with minimal help from your service desk by enriching product information with relevant content, blogs, manuals, or data sheets. Or you can offer smart FAQs, which can be instrumental in the onboarding process by providing the right information at the right time, thereby improving customer satisfaction. But there's more. With the out-of-the-box Liferay features like discussion boards, forums, media galleries, or wikis, you can not only create and customize content for unique business needs, you can also enable technicians to exchange information on common issues, share ideas and solutions, watch how-to and installation videos, and independently solve problems. Plus, thanks to Liferay's powerful Elasticsearch capabilities, B2B buyers can search the entire database and find the right product as well as related content in no time. And if you'd like to take customer self-service to a whole new level, you can leverage advanced features like AI and ML-driven chatbots that answer search queries, check the status of an order, find consumables, and suggest spare parts, presenting customers with an alternative to personalized assistance. All these tools and features contribute to keeping your customers operational. Make every second count and minimize unplanned downtime with a customer portal built on Liferay. Learn more at liferay.com/manufacturing.